Vakomana vanoanalyza nyaya vobuda vatara mashoko achiti the ruling party panguva inoi it is now the battleground. Now vanhu vava confused kuti should we follow the top leadership kunyange zvavo iri splitted kana kuti tofollowa vakomana ava vana Geza ava. Nditsanamira mashoko obuda chokwa panapa achisi the Geza Infemo and Factionalism in Zanu PF. What should citizens fight for? Not about subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa tinoona kuti vakomana aiwa vemo nehanda vane vakatibatira mashoko anobuda nyika vachinzi the debate about factionalism in Zanu PF has tended to focus on two things. First, it focuses on whether the citizens, particularly the broader opposition, should take sides with Comrade Geza and associates to remove President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The second side focuses on what citizens should demand as a condition for siding with Comrade Geza to remove Mnangagwa. In this article, I focus on the second side of the debate. I argue that the demands and expectations of the people must be based on four key considerations. There is no doubt that Zimbabwe took an outrageous departure from the values and expectations which guided the liberation struggle. We therefore need to take country back to all the values and expectations of the liberation struggle. The second consideration concerns the nature and culture of governance which has dominated Zimbabwe since independence. The third consideration concerns the copy and paste governance system that we inherited at independence, which are alien to our culture, values, and practices at being. The fourth consideration concerns a collective vision of what we want as Zimbabweans. We need to be able to think beyond our individual interests and political affiliations. We need to have collective interests which transcend any issues that may divide us, especially tribe and political affiliations. Domashko anobuda panapa arikusanangurira vakomana when the ruling party varikuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi aiwa they are being robbed in confusion. Panapa vanhu vanenge vachiti tikaenda kuside iri vanozama consequences aro, tikaenda kuside iri vanongazama consequences aro. Zvati kuona kuti panguva inoi ndo bato raimbozikanwa kuti rine unity rakasimba panguva inoi aiwa people they are now confused. Ngudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinai comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.